Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
To add your logo, use File with Transparency Example PNG format, drag and drop it from the file manager as shown on the screen. Alternatively, you can add your logo file. In the Project tab, right-click Import File and select your logo. Expand the Laser 4K or Laser FHD folder 01 Edit Comps logo, then drag and drop your logo into the Media Logo composition. The composition with a placeholder for the logo will open automatically, allowing you to position your logo accordingly. Delete the sample text field company logo. Now you can adjust the size of your logo. To return to the main composition, expand the 02 Final Comp folder in the Project panel and double-click on Final Comp 4K FHD. You have just set up your logo. To change the settings from the Essential Properties panel, click on the Laser 4K FHD composition in the timeline. You can also access the settings by expanding the Laser 4K FHD composition, as shown in the video. Theme allows you to select the engraving scene type. Lens flare effect, you can enable or disable the flare effect. Lens flare brightness controls the brightness of the flare effect. Lens flare lens type determines the type of lens flare. Smoke effect on/off enables or disables the smoke effect. Smoke effect brightness adjusts the brightness of the smoke effect. Logo glow transition effect, you can enable or disable the light streak transition effect. Glow strength controls the intensity of the light streak. Logo background color controls the background color of the logo. Light over logo on/off enables or disables the light passing over the logo. Logo shadow strength controls the intensity of the shadow cast by the logo. Logo shadow distance adjusts the distance of the shadow from the logo. Logo shadow softness determines the softness of the shadow. If you want, you can also set your own background instead of a solid one. Add your background the same way you added the logo earlier. Drag and drop the background onto the logo background composition. The logo background composition will open automatically. Adjust the background as you like, then return to Final Comp 4K FHD by double-clicking on the composition.